The Earth is very small in comparison with the rest of our universe. Planet Earth could fit inside the Sun 1.3 million times easily. A day on Mercury lasts longer than its year. Mercury moves around the Sun faster than any other planet, making a year on Mercury lasting an equal of 88 Earth days. However, a day on Mercury, interval between the sunrise and the next sunrise, lasts a total of 176 Earth days. Yes, it's confusing but true. The moon is the reason why we have tides and waves on Earth. Along with the sun, it moves billions of tons of water daily. If the sun was to suddenly stop shining, it would take 8 minutes for us on Earth to realize this. This is so because of how long it takes light from the sun to reach the Earth. Planet Earth is about 4.5 billion years old, but only one-third the total age of our universe, which is said to be 13.5 billion years old. Earth is located about 150 million kilometers away from the Sun, and this distance isn't always constant. The Sun is 400,000 times brighter than a full moon in the sky. The Earth travels at a speed of roughly 490,000 miles per hour around the center of our galaxy. This means that in 1 minute, you'll be 8,100 miles away from where you originally were. The solar system has 144 named moons. The moon rotates on its axis in the same time it goes one complete lap around Earth, which makes us always see the same side of it. Every year since it has been measured, the moon has been found to be moving away 1.5 inches away from the Earth every year on average. The fastest spinning objects in the universe are neutron stars, which can rotate up to 500 times in 1 second. 99% of our solar system's mass is concentrated in the sun. The moon travels a distance of 1.4 million miles around the Earth. A cosmic year is the time it takes for the sun to revolve around the center of the Milky Way. This is a mind-boggling 225 to 250 million years. The force of gravity on Jupiter is 2.6 times stronger than gravity here on Earth. Earth is the only planet not named after a Greek or Roman god. If two pieces of metal touch together in space, they get stuck together permanently. 41% of the moon remains hidden from the Earth at any given time. Over 1 million Earths can fit inside the sun. A full moon is 9 times brighter than a half moon. Black holes come in 3 sizes. They are stellar mass, intermediate mass, and supermassive. The largest known star, Canis Majoris, is so big that if our sun was a ball 46 inches wide, Canis Majoris itself would be 1.3 miles wide. Due to its size, Pluto's moon Charon is also considered to be a double dwarf planet, 2 planets orbiting each other, rather than the moon orbiting its planet. The moon smells like burnt gunpowder. No one can really explain this phenomenon though. The lunar module from the Apollo missions required less computing power to land on the moon than the computing powers that today's cell phones possess. The moon is 27% the size of the Earth. About 3,000 stars are visible to the naked eye on a moonless clear night. With the help of a telescope, about 100,000 stars can be seen. There is an estimated 130 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy, although there is estimated to be up to 3 times that amount. The Sun provides planet Earth with 126 trillion horsepower of energy daily. Antares is roughly 420 million kilometers in diameter, which is 300 times the width of the Sun. Uranus, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune are comprised of just gases with no solid surface to land on. Saturn is the flattest planet in our solar system. Its polar diameter is only 90% of its equatorial diameter. The Earth is expected to be effectively habitable for human beings for about another 500 million years. The Moon is 1 million times drier than the Gobi Desert. The Andromeda Galaxy is the largest of the local group, which also contains our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Every year, the Sun evaporates 400 trillion tons of water from the Earth. Because the Moon's orbit is elliptical and tilted, we here on Earth actually see a bit more than half of the Moon's surface. In 1843, the huge star Eta Cardi erupted, ejecting two gas bubbles that each having as much mass as the Sun. The largest structure found in the universe is the Sloan Great Wall, which is a supercluster of galaxies 1.4 billion light-years wide. If a marshmallow was dropped from a foot above the surface of a neutron star, it would have the energy of a modern atomic bomb. Sedna is an icy solar system body that is so far away it takes 11,400 years to orbit the Sun. It's located about 3 times further out from the Sun than Neptune, and it's 2/3 the size of Pluto. It is one of the most distant objects known in the solar system. Although Sedna is covered in ice, it appears almost as red as Mars. There will not be a full moon on Halloween until the year 2020. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. The subscription link is in the video description below. Subscribe.